Hey there. Today I'm changing the headlight on my 2004 Nissan Sentra. I'm changing the headlight bulb. Most cars and trucks, it's the same procedure. You just open the hood of your car to gain access to your engine bay, and then just take a look where your light bulb is and just follow it inside the engine bay and you'll see a wiring harness. For me right now, I'm just going to pop off this windshield wiper fluid reservoir cap just to get better access to the harness. And if you can see, there's a tab over here and a tab over here. That's what you're going to use to grip and unscrew the wiring harness. Now to unscrew it, you turn to the left, but being you're facing the front of the vehicle, you're going to be turning it to your right. And then this should come right out. And just make a note, there are usually 3 tabs. There's one here, and one, excuse me, over here. These two are the same size, and this one's a little bit larger. So when you go to put it back in, you just want to line those tabs up with the openings down here where the headlight bulb goes. Then what you want to do is just push down on this tab here, and that'll release the old light bulb. And when you're taking out the new light bulb, you do not want to touch the glass area with your fingers, because that'll contaminate the lens and it'll wind up burning out a lot quicker on you. So just grab it by the black plastic base. We take our bulb and we reinsert it with the ridge side facing up, so we can plug the harness in after we plug it into the hole. So we take the bulb, put it in the hole. Remember to hold it by the black plastic base. And then we just turn it that way to the passenger side to tighten it, and it straightens out. And then we take our wiring harness and we plug it back onto that black base on the bulb and just slide it in until it clicks. Come back into your cabin of your vehicle, turn on your headlights just to verify that they work. Make sure the new bulb works that you put in, and you're good to go. Go back inside and turn off the headlights, turn them off, and you're all done. Quick fix. Hope this video helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments you might like down below, and if you'd like, consider subscribing. Thanks, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.